Hi there, Chris. Today we're gonna give the sounds of alphabet. So, you wanna learn to how to give the sounds of alphabet? Okay, let's start. A. What is the sounds of A? Uh, B. What is the sounds of B? B, B. C. What is the sounds of C? K, K, K. D. What is the sounds of D? D, D, D. And A. What is the sounds of A? A. A. And F. What is the sounds of F? And G. What is the sounds of G? G, G, G. And H. What is the sound of H? And I. What is the sounds of I? A. A. And G. What is the sounds of G? J, J, J. And K. What is the sounds of K? K, K, K. And L. What is the sounds of L? Whoa, whoa. And E. What is the sounds of E? And N. What is the sounds of N? And O. What is the sounds of O? And P. What is the sounds of P? And Q. What is the sounds of Q? And R. What is the sounds? And R. What is the sounds of R? And S. What is the sounds of S? And T. What is the sounds of T? T, T, T. And U. What is the sounds of U? And B. What is the sounds of B? And W. What is the sounds of W? And X. What is the sounds of X? And W. And Y. What is the sounds of Y? And Z. What is the sounds of Z? Now, we finished our give sounds of alphabet. Today, we're gonna sing the all alphabet. So, are you ready, children? Okay, let's start to sing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, and Z. And now we finished to sing the alphabet. And children, you enjoyed the give a sense and sing the alphabet. Thank you, and that's all.